In this lecture, we're going to create the following drawing, this one here. So here we have this flange. Here we have a top view. So first we have to create a top view here with the following dimensions. Then here we have to create a section view, AA, and from that section view that we got here, we have to create a isometric section view as we can see here. So let's go to SOLIDWORKS. Here is our flange. So let's create a new drawing file. Let's go new. Let's choose drawing. Now let's choose a sheet. Let's go browse. Let's choose a landscape and OK. Let's go here to palette view. Like this. Let's choose flange. Now let's choose here a top view. Let's drag this top view here. Like this. So this is what we're looking for. Let's click escape. Now let's go here to annotation. Let's go to model items. Let's go with entire model like this. Let's make sure you have a checked marked for drawing. And let's click OK. Now we got those dimensions. Now let's make it more clear, visible. Horizontal 20, 60, 40. This is what we're looking for. Here we have 8. And here we have 8 millimeters diameter, and here we have a 67. So this is what we're looking for on the top view. Let's click OK. Now we have to create a section view here. So let's go here to view layout, and here we have a section view. We're gonna go here with horizontal cutting line. So let's choose horizontal. Let's go right here in the center, like this. Let's click OK. And now here we have AA section view. This one here. So we can look here, this is AA. Let's click OK. Now this is not the section view that we're looking for. We want to create isometric section view. So let's right click on this section view here. And here we have isometric section view. Let's choose isometric section view like this. And this is what we're looking for. Now let's go down here. Let's change the display style. Let's go here with shaded with edges. And let's click OK. Now if we try to move this section view, we can't. So we have to break alignment. Let's right click here. Let's go to alignment. Let's go with break alignment. And let's go with OK. Now we can position this view wherever we want. Let's position this view here. Like this. Let's click OK. So here we have a name, section AA. We can put this name here. Like this. And here we have our top view. And now if you look here, we can see that the name is flange and this is it. We have created our drawing.